going on YouTube? I got a 2013 Ford F150 Ecoboost. Just going to do a quick real world liters per 100 kilometers update on the gas. I just went on a trip, on a little bit of a road trip from, I don't know if you guys live near me. I live Newmarket, Aurora area, and I went to Algonquin Park. So let's see if we can get it focused here. I got half a tank left with 468 kilometers left, and I drove 485 kilometers. The average was 13.5 liters per 100 kilometers, and I only used 65.7 liters. So that's not bad. If I drive this tank through, I should get over 900 kilometers. So there's a little bit of an update. My truck now has 16,000 kilometers. So she's broken in, and I bought it in November, and I noticed that once it got colder, the gas mileage wasn't the greatest. It was up to like 16. I think one I even had 17 for a gas tank. But now it's broken in, and as you can see, some pretty decent liters per 100 kilometers. So again, I drove 485 kilometers. I got 468 left, so that's into the 900s. Drove 7 hours 20 minutes, 65 liters, average of 13.5. Let me guys know if you have similar or different experiences, if you got better gas mileage or less, because I actually also did just catch wind of 2013 F-150s having a recall. Apparently they need to reprogram the transmission or something like that. So let me guys know what you guys are getting, see if this is average or not. Alright, thanks a lot guys, bye.